her so.
Oh.
Daddy, you still love her so. Yeah, maybe.
Let me tell you, my brother,
Okay, sir.
this song where you choose, I'm not sure say you work for this competition. So, bring out that your potential where they see.
Let me nine. And you see they go play my dance for. I'm still a winner.
Oh,
Me never let they play my banjo. Then me nine, oh na. Don't know what they play my dance for. But in the winner they go play my banjo. Never. I got the reason, I got so much to give.
I wouldn't advise for you to come back again.
Please, what can I do to be better?
I just don't think that you're a singer. I think we should vote.
Yeah, I think I can vote for everybody. Thanks for coming.
Okay.
But it's a no.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
You see, the moment it came, I remembered him.
Once again, no golden ticket for Angel.